Welcome to the sweetest adventure on YouTube. Have you ever wondered how M&Ms are made? Today, we're heading to the M&M factory to uncover every step behind the creation of these legendary candies. Let's kick off this sweet journey together.
First of all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to uncover more fascinating secrets from the world of food.
The journey of M&Ms begins in the lush cocoa fields of Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, and Indonesia. Here, the finest cocoa beans are harvested with care and a deep love for nature. Each bean not only brings a rich chocolate flavor but also tells a story of hard work and dedication. Next, we step into the cutting-edge laboratory, where the real magic happens. Here, M&Ms flavor scientists meticulously blend cocoa butter, dried milk, and premium ingredients to create the unmistakable M&Ms taste. Each recipe is the result of hundreds of hours of research, ensuring every candy stays creamy and delicious. The magical journey of each candy continues in the factory. Precision-engineered robotic arms mold perfect chocolate centers down to the millimeter. Every machine movement is programmed to guarantee the highest quality for each candy. Next comes the iconic candy shell, crafted with a mixture of sugar, corn syrup, and food coloring. The coating machines work tirelessly to create that glossy, vibrant finish we all recognize. And here's the star of the factory, the Wafer machine. Operating at lightning speed, this marvel handles hundreds of thousands of candies per minute. Each candy is sorted, polished, and perfectly transported. It's not just technology, it's precision art at its finest. M&Ms aren't just visually appealing, they must be flawless. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing, from shell hardness to color consistency and delicious flavor. Strict quality control ensures only the best candies make it to your hands. And now, the most impressive test, the drop test. This is how experts check the durability of the candy shell. Whether dropped from a height or enduring a strong collision, the shell stays intact, protecting the chocolate inside. Truly, every M&M is a marvel of resilience and quality. At last, the finished candies are dressed in their dazzling outfits. From pocket-sized packs to shareable bags, each package is designed to spread joy worldwide. Which M&M flavor is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun and informative videos.
Welcome to the Food Craft Secrets channel. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie inside a crispy, sweet Kit Kat bar? What makes it an icon in the world of chocolate? Today, we're taking you on a journey to uncover the mysteries behind every layer of chocolate and wafer in a Kit Kat. From distant tropical forests to high-tech factories, are you ready? Let's dive in. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to uncover more fascinating secrets from the world of food. Every sweet story starts with nature. Kit Kat begins its journey with cocoa beans grown in lush, green rainforests. The majority of Kit Kat's cocoa comes from the Ivory Coast and Ghana, known for their rich cocoa fields. Fun fact, the scientific name for the cocoa tree, Theobroma cacao, literally means food of the gods. After harvesting, the beans are fermented for several days to develop their unique flavor, then sun-dried for a week before embarking on their journey to factories. Each tiny cocoa bean carries the story of nature and human effort. This is where the real magic begins. At the Kit Kat factory, cocoa beans are roasted at just the right temperature to unlock their distinctive flavor. Every second of this process is carefully controlled to ensure every batch of chocolate meets the highest standards. Next, the beans are shelled to reveal the nibs inside. These nibs are ground into a rich, thick paste called cocoa liquor. Don't worry, it's not alcoholic. This is the foundation of Kit Kat's signature chocolate flavor. From cocoa liquor, other ingredients like sugar, milk, and cocoa butter are added to create the smooth, creamy chocolate mixture. This is where the conching process, a method of mixing and refining, ensures the perfect texture and flavor in every bite. The wafer, the crispy heart of every Kit Kat, is made from thin sheets of batter baked at a precise 150 degrees Celsius. But here's a cool secret. Broken or defective Kit Kats are ground up and recycled into the wafer filling. It's a clever way to reduce waste and keep everything delicious. Once the wafer pieces are cut to size, they're coated with a smooth layer of chocolate. Each Kit Kat is carefully inspected before entering a high-speed packaging line. Over 200,000 bars are wrapped every hour, ready to satisfy chocolate lovers around the globe. journey of a Kit Kat, from cocoa bean to your hands. Behind that iconic snap is a story of passion and precision. Which Kit Kat flavor is your favorite? Classic, matcha, or salted caramel? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories from the world of food. See you in the next video.